Parts of speech refer to the way in which particular words are used in a sentence. They must be arranged in a recognizable order. Let's understand each part of speech one by one. Noun. Noun are naming words. It is name given to a person, place, thing or idea. For example, John is reading a book. Here, John and book. These names are given to a person and a thing. Another situation in which when we don't want to repeat name again and again, then we can use, for example, I, he, she, they, we, you instead of naming word. For example, he is reading it. Here, he is used instead of John. And it pronoun is used instead of book. So instead of saying John is reading a book, we can say he is reading it. Next is verb. Verb are action or doing words, or what a subject does. That is called action verb. For example, run, jump, eat, dance. These are action words. For example, John reads every day. Here, action word is reads. John is reading every day or John reads every day. In case when we describe verb, that is called adverb. For example, John reads quickly. How that action is performed, that is called adverb. So here quickly is adverb and reads is verb. Next we will learn adjective. Adjective are describing words. It describes noun. For example, big, fast, small, beautiful, happy, fast. For example, John is reading a big book. Here, big describes the size of the book. So, adjective makes sentences more interesting and vivid. Preposition. Let's talk about preposition. Words that show position, direction or time. For example, John is reading in the library. Here, the word in tells us where John is reading. So, preposition help us to understand relationship between words in a sentence. Next is conjunction. Conjunctions connect words, phrase or sentences and make communication smoother. They act like a bridge that connects two roads. For example, John reads and writes daily. Here, and connects two actions, that is reading and writing. So conjunction help us join ideas together. Next is interjection. Interjections are words that used to express sudden emotions like excitement, surprise, pain or happiness. For example, wow, that book is amazing. The word wow expresses surprise. So, interjection make speech exciting and expressive. So, these are parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection.